You've requested and now we're providing crypto. That's what we're going to be talking about today. So the coin we're going to be talking about is BINANCECOIN, BNB. But before we get into it, we need you to do 3 things for us. Like, comment, subscribe. BINANCECOIN, also known as BNB, is a cryptocurrency that is used to pay for fees and also trade on any crypto exchange, specifically Binance. Its current price at the time of recording, which is the 25th of October, is $484. Bear in mind, when it first launched in 2017, I think it was around 10 cents.
Damn, that's a jump, fam.
A jump.
So what is it? Are people just leaving their money in BINANCECOIN when they put money on the Binance platform?
We'll go into the pros and cons
We'll
soon. Them ones. Cool. Let's not give away too much too soon.
Yeah. All right, cool. So I'll just repeat again. What is Binance predominantly used for? And it's used as a utility coin on Binance, on the Binance platform. It can now also be used for various other things like travel bookings, entertainment, online services, and financial services. You can also use it, as Michael just said, on other exchange platforms like PancakeSwap and what's that other one? Uniswap. There you go. So now that you know what BINANCECOIN is used for, we'll quickly take you through some pros and cons as to whether to buy the coin or not, or whether I would buy the coin or not. Yeah.
So before we get into it, we're gonna give you a quick disclaimer, and after the disclaimer, you can, if you want to, which we don't advise, you can literally skip to whatever chapter of this episode that you want to listen to. We're gonna put all the chapters there. The disclaimer is,
we're not financial advisors.
That's it. Or experts. Take everything we say with a pinch of salt,
Maggi,
paprika,
and anything in your kitchen.
That's it. Next time we'll add jollof.
I don't have jollof in my kitchen though. Alright, cool.
The first pro is the fact that BINANCECOIN is associated with the largest and most popular crypto exchange platform, which is Binance. It's not what's the other one? Coinbase.
It's not Coinbase.
It's Binance. That's the largest and most popular crypto exchange platform.
A lot of people don't know that.
That's it. So this is where the coin is used as a discount token, meaning in order for you to buy something,
to buy specific coin assets on Binance, you need to first buy BINANCECOIN.
That's it.
Yeah, so you need to convert your fiat currency, your pounds or your dollars, into Binance, and then once you buy the BINANCECOIN, then you can turn that into your what are the main cryptocurrencies right now? Right.
Ethereum,
Cardano,
or even your favorite altcoins.
Yeah.
So if you want Shiba.
Right.
So what's one of the advantages of buying the BNB coin?
Right. So the fact that BNB coin is associated to Binance means that the value will always go up, because people have to buy BINANCECOIN to do their transactions. And some people just leave their money in BINANCECOIN. So that also allows the value to go up. It's not an unlimited asset. It's a limited asset at the end of the day. So it's based on the scarcity, or not scarcity, but the more people buy into it, the higher the price goes, and people are leaving their money in BINANCECOIN every single day.
Demand is pushing up the price.
Yeah. Exactly. It's that simple.
Yeah, you don't want to be silly and swap it for something and not hold a bit of BINANCECOIN, because you have to. Yeah. So next point.
All right. So gas fees are cheaper than Ethereum. So gas fees being the cost of a transaction, basically. So Ethereum, I can't remember the exact figures, but I do know, and I can prove to you that it's higher than what they charge on
We'll put it in.
We'll put it there somewhere. Yeah. Here, I don't know. Yeah. So that's pro number 2. That is the cheaper means of transferring cryptocurrency.
That's
it.
Yeah.
Yep. The third pro is the fact that BINANCECOIN can be used on other crypto exchanges. For example, PancakeSwap and Uniswap. This is beneficial because it just means that the coin has a lot more uses. It's not just in one place. And that can give the coin more value.
Yeah.
Really and truly, it just gives the coin more value. More people buy into the coin because they know it has a lot of utility, and that drives the price up as well.
Yeah, and also as well, if you just generally just wanted to hold a coin, you can buy it through other exchanges as well. It's not just Binance. You can buy it on Coinbase if you want to. Yeah. You can even buy it on eToro.
Exactly. And if ever the Binance platform, I don't know, freezes or has like if you're locked out for some reason, you can always just use your Binance coin on a different platform. It's simple. Yeah. So those are the main pros, and we are now going to go into a couple of cons.
You know, on this side, we're not biased, so we're going to give you the best of both worlds, the pros and the cons.
That's it.
Con number one is the fact that Binance coin, 80% of it is held by the exchange. So the Binance platform itself holds 80% of the BNB coin. 80%.
Big chunk.
Big chunk. The reason why this is mad is because it means that the coin itself on the platform is centralized. Nobody in the crypto world loves a centralized coin. Nobody. Everyone wants everything decentralized.
Simple.
The keyword decentralized.
Yeah.
That's the reason why crypto was brought in the first place.
Yeah, you don't want one entity controlling the whole asset.
That's it.
You don't want Binance as a platform controlling Binance coin, because they can turn around and make any sort of decision that they want, and we sort of just have to fall in line.
Yeah, that's literally it.
So it's a risk.
It's a major risk. Yeah.
Right. So con number two is the fact that Binance coin is so closely linked to the platform Binance. This means that when Binance has a negative rep, Binance coin also gets affected.
Yep.
For example, there was some news recently, some misleading news, which basically indicated that Binance was going to be banned in the UK. That would have inevitably affected Binance coin and the value of Binance coin as people push to sell their Binance coin to get off the platform. So the fact that Binance coin is so closely linked to Binance as a platform is a potential risk as well.
That's it. Basically, in layman terms,
Yep.
when people are scared about something, people jump off that coin and start using something else.
Simple.
Con number three is the fact that the stability cannot be guaranteed because the coin has only been around for 4 years. And really and truly, in the last year or two is when it's really taken off.
Yep.
So can you say that it's more reliable than something like Ethereum?
Yep. Can you say it's more reliable than something like Bitcoin, which has been around since 2011?
Yeah.
It's nuts.
Yeah. And one thing I will say is that I know that we mentioned the transaction fees or gas fees are lower with BNB, but you get what you pay for. There's a reason why Ethereum charges a large transaction fee. So again, this hasn't been around for a long time. Are you really going to feel safe investing in something like this? I don't know.
You need to think about it.
Yeah. So the fourth and final point is the fact that Binance sometimes are, not even sometimes, they're affected by regulations. First of all, the crypto market hasn't really got that many regulations, but for platforms or exchanges, when you're operating in a certain country, every country has its own regulations that you need to abide by.
Yep.
Binance has been running in certain countries without the correct licenses.
Yep.
So recently, it was operating in the UK without certain licenses, hence why the news was out that Binance is going to shut down basically in the UK.
Yeah, they basically just threw it out there.
Same thing happened in the US and same things happen in Japan and Thailand. However, Binance, what they do, their strategy is to establish themselves in the market,
And
then
apologize later.
go about things the right way. So right now, if you go on Binance, it's going to ask you to verify your account, because before they weren't even doing that.
No.
They were just making it easy for people to use their platform. So the point being here is that when regulations hit Binance, it affects the coin.
Yeah,
It affects the coin because it's so closely associated with the coin.
It slows down the business and it hits the value of the coin.
That's it.
Those are the main two things to take away.
Yeah.
Yeah. And I think that's just the way Binance are operating. They're operating like cowboys. And it seems to be working for them, actually, surprisingly.
Yeah.
They've established themselves in the UK. Everyone knows about, well, not everyone, but a lot of people know about Binance.
Yeah.
And the value of the coin still continues to grow somehow.
Yeah.
It's very interesting.
With them, their strategies, if not now, then when? So you just attack the market, like
Yeah.
come in and just do what needs to be done, innit?
Facts.
Do what needs to be done.
Would you like to take us through your final thoughts? What do you think of Binance Coin?
I think Binance Coin is something that you need to own simply because of the amount of people that are buying altcoins at the moment, and especially the amount of people that are using it on a reliable exchange such as Binance. Like we said earlier, it's the largest and most popular crypto exchange. Forget about whether you are based in UK or US. Binance is used in other countries. So just remember that a lot of people are using this exchange, and a lot of people are making transactions using the BNB coin. So you yourself should hold onto BNB and not just sell it in exchange for an altcoin. If that makes sense. Yeah. It's similar to years ago when people were buying Bitcoin and then exchanging it for whatever they wanted to exchange it for.
Dodgy stuff.
Yeah, so, but with BNB, don't make that mistake.
Hang on to it.
Yeah, don't make that mistake.
So, with regards to this Binance coin, what are your thoughts?
So my thoughts are, don't make that mistake in selling your Binance coin. If you're gonna buy altcoins, that's good. That's perfectly good. Do your thing. But remember, they're asking you for Binance coin in return for the altcoin.
Yeah.
There's a reason why, because they see the value in that. So whether you're buying it on PancakeSwap, Uniswap, whatever, hold on to some BNB because that thing there is in demand. Is in demand for a reason.
Yeah, it's definitely going to be in demand.
Yeah.
Okay, and that leads into my personal thoughts as not Bitcoin, but as cryptocurrency as a whole grows in popularity.
Yep.
I believe that people will look to platforms like Binance,
Of course,
like Uniswap, to actually purchase more cryptocurrency. So that creates a natural knock-on effect because people will have to buy Binance coin to get access to these coins.
Yeah.
So I would say hang on to Binance coin, because once people buy more Binance coin, your Binance coin goes up. It's
That's
that
it.
simple.
Demand
And supply.
Demand.
That's what this whole thing's about.
Yeah.
Just demand.
Demand. Yeah.
Are you copying?
We or I?
Yeah, we're definitely copying.
I copped.
Yeah,
I can confirm that I copped.
I bought some Binance coins after
Yeah.
as well. So,
Same.
yeah.
I bought some today, so yeah.
Again, we're not financial
We're
advisors.
not financial advisors.
We
We're
buy it for
just
ourselves.
we were buying for ourselves. We told you the pros. We told you the cons.
It's up to you to make a decision.
That's it.
Yeah. So thank you for watching this episode of Stock List. We hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, kindly give us a like, drop a comment, and send it to one person that you think will find value in the video.
Auntie, uncle, dog, cat, whatever you wanna
Put them in front of the TV, make them watch it.
That's it.
Yeah. And we'll see you on the next one. Thank you.